And this is the 12 LED, the indoor, the battery wireless LED washer light. And this position have the battery, and inside, this is LED display. LED display. And this is the power in, power out, power switch, DMX in, DMX out, and the wireless receiver. And this is the LED display, DMX show color mode, and this is color, choose color, setting, and the light information. Now let's see the colors: red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV. And this is all color on. This is all color on. Now let's see the red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV. And this is all color on. This is all color on. This is the cooling fan. And this position have a bracket. In this position to change the battery.